Performing saddle grafting. To perform this procedure, you will need to prepare the following tools and materials: a grafting knife or a grafting shear, grafting tape or any available plastic type, a piece of plastic, a pruning shear, and the rootstock and the scion having the same diameter that is not more than 1 inch in size. First, identify the active growth part of the plant. This is usually found around the middle part of the stem where the green and brown bark meets. Using a grafting knife, cut the stem at this part of the rootstock into an inverted V. You may also use a grafting shear to make the cut smoother and easier. Then, remove the leaves attached to the scion. Make a V-shaped cut at the base of the scion. Adjust the cut to ensure that the scion will fit properly into the rootstock. You may also use a grafting shear to easily cut the scion. Insert the scion into the rootstock tightly, leaving no gaps or spaces. Tie the union using a grafting tape. Place an umbrella-like piece of plastic at the top part of the union to prevent moisture loss. Remove the plastic and the grafting tape once the union is successful.